The Students for an Active Difference is a student-led, organised and run group. Every initiative, from bake sales to food drives, is planned, organised and delivered entirely by the students themselves.
Our main goal is to support people in need, whether through providing for orphans or providing food during Ramadan.
What's remarkable is that students take ownership at every step. They set the goals, manage the process and see the impact of their work firsthand.
We want to encourage responsibility, empathy and leadership. Being in SFAAD means actively learning how to make a difference.
Our objective is to organize initiatives that help the community, ensuring every step is handled carefully and respectfully.
Values like teamwork, compassion and commitment guide everything we do.
It's about understanding the responsibility behind helping others.
Being part of SFAAD shows that even small efforts done with purpose and heart can make a real difference.
SFAAD exemplifies what students can achieve when they take the lead. Now that's an inspiring change for the better.